Welcome back, guys. Today I'm working on the Nova again. I'm gonna give you guys a quick update on what I've been working on today, and yeah, it's not great. So let's take a look real quick. So unfortunately, the threads on this, actually you could probably, oh yeah, this camera's not too bad. Yeah, they're done. They are messed up due to the faulty castle nut that came with the kit. And these were in fact the correct size, but they didn't work because the threads were destroyed. I tried hitting it with a die. It almost worked, but I couldn't get it down far enough. So I needed one new tie rod and some more money into this thing, which didn't need to happen because these were brand new tie rods. I'm a little bit frustrated, if you couldn't tell. But I'm gonna get all this back, get the wheel back on, and then I pulled out the leftover pipe from the last time I did the crap exhaust a few years ago. Not too sure if I'm gonna get started on that today. It depends on how long I have after I redo. It's real dirty. This rat's nest. Check that shit out. Yeah. All right. So these are done for now. Let me zoom in for you guys. Oh, not that much. So okay, I have this wiring diagram. This is for the original Nova. These are original wires. I'm pretty sure this was power to the fuel gauge, and these were both these were both light, basically, for the instrument cluster. Let's see. So yeah, see, gas gauge, the brown one is the one I actually have ran to it. and this one I'm assuming is the pink one that isn't connected to anything. And then where was the gray? Here's the gray instrument light, and then there is one more instrument light up here, both gray. And so I'm fairly certain that's what these are, so I'll have to get some wire nuts, keep those off. So got it cleaned up in here a little more. Okay, scratch that instrument light. Although these are on the other side of the way this is listed, I think I moved this instrument light to where it is now. So it's this instrument light, and this instrument light is on this side. So I'll have to get another wire nut. I'm gonna extend this dim light. I'm gonna pull it through. It's kind of in a bad spot. If you see there's factory wires running through there. I'm gonna move it in and around. Gosh, yeah, and all this fireproofing is coming out. All right, I pulled the dim out. There's nothing to redo with the dimmer. It's wired way deep in here. I might be able to do it from underneath, but I did tape it so it doesn't fall back in. I should tape this one too, but that should be all right. So 1, 2, 3, 4 small wire nuts, and then I'm gonna have to get new connectors, like with the sleeve for these, and then I will do something fancy, you know, zip tie fancy. Zip tie all of these up here, keep it nice and tight, and clean up the underside of the dash. Okay, so I left off after doing all this, and then I picked up these fully jacketed. These are male and female ends. There you go, perfect. And I got 2 boxes. Oh, there it is. Should be enough to do all these. I'll probably do the male end on these and then put the female end on the dash when I get the new dash in. So yeah, I'm gonna get cracking on that right now, and I'll record a little time lapse just like the previous portion. So I forgot to mention real quick, I did not get the wire nuts, something that I forgot to do, so I'm going to do that hopefully next time I hit O'Reilly's, or see, I don't think they have them, so I'll hit Ace, see if they have them. Can't get this. So the 2 boxes I got had the perfect amount of connectors. Thankfully, I did not count. I thought I was about to be 1 short, but thankfully it was perfect. So as long as I didn't ruin any of them, like I almost ruined one of them, turned out great. Oh yeah, this one. See how chewed up that is? It's probably gonna need some electrical tape. So I have all the female ends here. That way I can connect those when I get the new dash. And then I forgot, I am gonna need, what was that, 6 wire nuts, small wire nuts, because there are gonna be 2 wires that are not gonna be used on the dash. So that'll do it for this video, the part 2 in this little series I'm doing while I have the Nova back here before I get it back into the street. So yeah, like I said, unfortunately I'm gonna need to order a new tie rod end because this one is, threads are fucked. And then hopefully, probably in the next video, I'm gonna get this fender off. It's gonna be a bit of work, That's why I haven't done it just yet, but once I get that off, it's gonna be really huge. Also, I might have to pull the other one off, which is really unfortunate to get because the nuts, I don't really want to put them through the actual fender. I want them on this back piece. You see it's two separate pieces. I'm sorry, horrible. Two separate pieces. So if you look in there, yeah, I want it on that inner metal. Otherwise, it's probably gonna poke the headlight out, and it's gonna look possibly worse than it did before. Definitely worse on that side, because that side was seating pretty well, but this side was a bit open. There's no reason to put it in wrong if it's literally going to make the problem I'm trying to fix by doing this even worse. Well, I really hope you guys enjoyed. Hopefully soon I'll get the exhaust started. I might do it tomorrow. I have the day off, so it's a Memorial Day, so I'll have time to do a few things in the evening. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. And if you have any tips for me, any advice, any information that could be useful for me, I would really appreciate it. I value the wisdom of the car community. So thank you very much for watching, and I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.